Hello all, welcome back. This is DJ, your IELTS trainer. In the previous video, we have seen the part 2 and the map solving questions. In this video, we are going to focus or concentrate on the part 3. So, part 3 basically is a kind of mixed kind of group audio, because here 2 to 3 members will be having a conversation on academic topics. For example, a student and the teacher, project guide and the students, or something like that, the librarians or the people who take internships and stuff like that. In this video, we are going to concentrate on how to solve the question type. So the question type, now what I have here is it is a kind of match the following. Options will be listed in a box, and you'll be having below that, you'll be having a list of questions. You have to choose the right option and match it with the correct answers or questions. So this is how we are going to solve the part 3. Now let's get into the part 3.
Now we've got to give a bit of feedback about last term's modules. Just short comments, apparently.
Here, some sort of students, they are ready to give their feedback on a specific topic or the modules, which is included in the veterinary science.
Shall we do that now?
Okay, so medical terminology.
Well, my heart sank when I saw that, especially right at the beginning of the course, and I did struggle with it.
I thought it'd be hard, but actually I found it all quite straightforward.
Here, the word straightforward, that plays an important role. What is the meaning of the word straightforward? Yes, it is called easy. So this kind of audio, this shows some sort of hints. What Tim and Diana say is, it is a sort of easy. During the time of beginning, they struggled a bit. But after when they have indulged in the course, it was really, really easy and straightforward. So the option what we're going to mark over here is obviously A. Tim found this easier than expected for the medical terminology.
Diet and nutrition.
Okay, I suppose.
Do you remember what they told us about pet food and the fact that there's such limited checking into whether or not it's contaminated? I mean, in comparison with the checks on food for humans, I thought that was terrible.
He uses the word terrible, obviously, which means he was shocked. So Tim was shocked at something he learned on this module.
I think the module that really impressed me was the animal disease one, when we looked at domesticated animals in different parts of the world, like camels and water buffalo and alpaca. The economies of so many countries depend on these, but scientists don't know much about the diseases that affect.
The thing is, the scientists did not have much information on these diseases.
Them.
Yes. I thought they'd know a lot about ways of controlling.
Even Tim is feeling the same as what Diana felt. So the thing is, the both of the students are thinking of the same thing, and that is the hint what you've got here, and based on that only we are going to choose the right option. So option what we are going to choose here is F. They were both surprised how little is known about some aspects of this.
And eradicating those diseases, but that's not the case at all. I loved the wildlife medication unit. Things like helping birds that have been caught in oil spills. That's something I hadn't thought about before.
Yeah, I thought I might write my dissertation on something connected with that.
Right. So, actually, I was thinking...
Okay. So what does Diana say over here is, she's going to produce some sort of dissertation of notes on based of the wildlife medication. So rather than this, all the other options are purely a distraction. So what we have to do is focus only on the thing, what are they saying. So try to take notes when you are solving your pen and paper based exam writer, or you might be the other one, the computer based exam writer. You will definitely given a paper and a pencil to take notes out of it. So while listening to the audio, you can take hints or notes so that it will be easy for you. So during the time when you get to check your answers, you can easily write the correct answers, and also you can read your options during the time when you get to read the questions. So it will be more easy for you, and also you can mark the main words or the keywords, so that again it might pull you towards the kind of your concentration and focus towards the listening audio. So yes, thank you so much for listening and viewing our videos all these while, and please stay tuned for the last video, and it is one of the most difficult parts of all the four parts. So please be stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you do not miss any sort of information which is being posted in our channel. Bye bye.